It's Sunday, and of course, I'm out showing houses. I'm actually working with a young couple I met 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I wanted to make this video about looking for houses. It's especially challenging right now trying to find a house because the supply is so limited. And quite frankly, there's a lot of folks out there looking for houses. And so it's real important right now to try and make your search efficient and effective, and that will get you the most success in hopefully landing the house that you really want. Um, when I first met this couple, we sat down and I wanted to spend some time talking with them about and listening to them about what their priorities were and what they were looking for in a house. And that whole conversation really helped us focus on what was important and what was not important. And then we kind of split up our responsibilities in terms of looking. And they were very active on social media, and certainly I am too. But they were very willing to look on all types of social media to try and find homes. I've certainly looked at the RMLS, and every few days we'd identify new targets and pass them back and forth. And what do you think about this one? What do you think about that one? But what it's allowed us to do was to further kind of define of what was really going to work and not work. And then when we came up with a list of some possible candidates, they took the initiative and went out and looked at those homes ahead of time. They went to those neighborhoods and said, is this the kind of neighborhood I want to be in? And then the homes that we identified, they looked at the outside of the home and is this the right kind of home for us? And so it's just made it so much more effective because now we're looking at homes where they've looked at the neighborhood, they know they like that neighborhood, they've looked at the outside, they know that's the kind of house they want to look at. And so it really comes down to let's look inside the house and see if it has the features that we need. And so they can really help them target their time and energy to find the house that they really want and spend the time on ones that really work for them. So I think I wanted just to talk about that a little bit because it's been such a more um, helpful process, and I think productive process for them, and everyone's, I think, enjoying the process that we're going through. But you're looking at good targets, and it makes sense what you're looking at, and it fits for them, and that's what's important right now, especially when demand is high and supply is so low. It's really important to have a targeted, focused effort to make you effective in the marketplace. So I hope this helps. I want to make a video about this, and I think these folks are going to be real successful real quick in finding them a home. So thanks for listening.